Yo. What's up, Derek?
Yo. What's up?
What's up, doggy?
Hi.
What is up, guys? How you doing? So, it's Monday, which means it's, it's time to plan our week accordingly. And our goals for this week, if you guys don't know that, is to get the white M3 basically fully ready to sell. I know you guys want me to keep it, or at least a lot of you guys do, but I bought this car expecting to sell from the start, and it's gonna happen. I have enough cars. This one is to make some money on and put it into some cooler cars. But spent the weekend buttoning up the car. We cleaned out the interior. I went through suspension, went underneath it. I tidied everything up in the engine bay, and it now runs and drives pretty damn mint. Now the only issue is we have a bunch of check engine lights, of course, and it has some hesitation. So we're gonna be plugging in for the first time because it's OBD2, which is foreign to me.
Which is nice for this type of stuff.
So we're gonna see what kind of codes she's throwing at us.
Yeah.
But look how clean it is now. It's so nice. And I don't think I filmed the first test drive of this thing, so we'll show you guys how she hits.
We'll do some donuts soon.
Yo, I'm down. How many codes we got there, Derek?
It looks like about 10 of them.
Okay.
All misfire codes and some O2 sensor codes.
Well, it doesn't misfire anymore, so clear them.
Alright.
It did when we first started the car.
Alright, boys. Let's see if this thing runs any better. Alright, we got 2 codes that came back already.
Instantly? O2s?
I discovered that you had your O2 sensors swapped bank to bank.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So we just whipped around underneath. You can't, oh, I didn't got to see it. But this is actually the live data from the ECU, which is pretty cool. So we saw that one bank was fully lean, one bank was fully rich. Switched them around, and now
it runs mint.
Dude, it runs mint.
Yeah, it runs really good.
What's up, guy? What's up, cutie? Yo, how mint is this thing running right now?
I don't know, but I'm getting a little lightheaded.
Yeah, we should probably open the door,
it.
huh?
You're a weakling.
What?
You're a weak human.
Say it to my face, Derek.
You weak human.
Alright, it's probably true. Derek said it. It's true.
Give her some gas.
Give her the beans.
Give her the beans. Oh shit. Ooh.
Oh, this thing runs good.
Dude, this thing runs great.
Damn.
Jimmy, let's go!
I'm gonna rip a plate off of one of these cars. What about this one?
Yeah, take that one.
I mean, it's white.
What's up? You got a front plate?
Right here. I do have a front plate.
Give it to me. What are you doing? Get in the fucking car.
All right, well, I guess let's party.
Should we do it with 4 people? This is probably a bad idea. Alright.
Oh, she's so smooth now.
You know where I'm going, right?
Yeah, I know where you're going.
Yeah.
Hot dog guy's back.
Hell yeah.
You.
Hot dog guy!
How's she feel right now?
She feels good.
She's a gunner, dude.
Not bad. Oh, I guess we should check the brakes.
Yeah,
huh?
do the brakes work?
They work.
Nice work. What do you think, B?
It's really smooth.
And
it
it's
really is.
soft. It's compliant, as they say in the industry.
They say that?
It's very compliant.
Oh, and the van's coming out.
Good.
Oh, not happening! Oh, let her eat! Yeah, baby! Alright. Okay, keep it going. Oh, nice work. Nice work, Derek.
Not bad.
Oh, a bunch of fucking rubber in my
Yeah,
eye.
you're right in my eye too, but the old girl's got it.
The old girl's got it.
She's got it.
Alright.
I mean, that's the best way to break in a car.
It runs good.
Yeah.
Smell like gas.
Might have a little gas leak.
Whatever. I mean, this is the best way to shake down a car.
Yeah, we.
100%.
Oh, I smell gas, yeah.
Well, let's get back to the shop quick before we run out.
Somebody let us know if it's on fire.
Alright.
Oh shit, she broke in!
Oh, yeah. She's a quick one.
She's a unit, dude. I'll tell you what, after the initial 4 or 5 donuts, the car felt a lot faster.
Dude, that's how you break it in.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm really happy.
I just would have gotten these on his lunch break. Just a couple donuts.
Hey, Jimmy, Was this missing previous?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was
Okay.
missing previous. Okay, that wasn't you.
Would have been hilarious if it wasn't though, right? If it fell out when you're doing donuts, I would have laughed.
So we just went 4 deep in a stock M3 on 245 tires and did a donut. How many cars could you do that in? Stock.
Most of them are BMWs, M5s, E36 M3s, E92
You think
M3s.
your 7 Series can do a donut in the dry?
If I had no regard for the transmission that's about to fail, definitely.
Okay, so before you swap it, we're gonna do it.
Absolutely, 100%.
Man, I'm really happy with this car right now. I can't believe switching the O2s around really messed this thing up.
I was impressed. My car can't do that.
I mean, look at this. Let me see if I can see it. 245
Brian,
40. That's
Maybe it's just
crazy.
the driver.
No, it's not.
Oh shit. Talking shit.
I like 40 less.
So the M3 is running and driving amazing, as you guys can tell. I'm so happy with the car. So the last thing I really need to do is I still want to replace the headlights because I don't like the Halo HID headlights in it. It's not my style, and I don't know. Whatever. Besides that, she's ready to go. But I mean, look at this thing. It's so nice. Such a beautiful car. But yeah, let's move on. So the next 2 weeks is gonna be pretty crazy. So we're moving into the new shop. If everything goes to plan, because you know things can happen. We should be moving in the last week of June, so this month. But luckily, I mean, it's just on the road, so it's not a big deal. But on top of that, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but Brian and I are actually going to Germany. We're literally going to the Nuremberg for 5 days, 4 days, whatever. We're going from the 19th to the 25th. Hyundai is actually sending us out there for the 24-hour of Nuremberg race. Ridiculous. I still can't believe it's happening, but it's happening, and I couldn't be more excited. It's just like a bucket list type of thing. And then this weekend, I'll be drifting in Jersey, and then on the next Thursday after that, we'll be drifting at Thompson. So we got a lot of work to do. So my main goal for the next 2 weeks is obviously to, one, get the S13 nice and dialed, ready to drift. Unfortunately, I don't have time to change the clutch, but it's no worries. I think it'll be fine as the next 2 events, as long as I don't hot lap it and kind of ungrip the car just a little bit. Honestly, I've been holding back a lot on spending and selling off a lot of my random parts around the garage to try and save up some money so when we move, we have a good buffer zone, because moving is really expensive. And honestly, I want to put a lot of money into that place to make it really cool. So I know it's not the funnest thing, but today we're going to be pulling the engine on the E36, the red one. So as you guys know, we're off in that drivetrain and upgrading, and so this one's basically already sold. So I need to get my M52 with my get track and everything all out and ready to get to its new owner, which is Brian's girlfriend, which is pretty cool, and just get that shell ready for the new drivetrain and just start getting work done. So I'm gonna stop talking, we're gonna get to work, so let's get this car on the ground, pull the front end off, and just start yanking stuff off of it. There we go. Check. All right, let's see if I could do this by myself. Oh. Woo. That was heavier than I thought. It was a lot, so much heavier than I thought. All right, this is out. Yes, this thing's been on the stock exhaust the whole time. It's a little louder than like an OEM USDM one, but still, I'm excited to actually have some noises coming from this car. See if this thing will be easy for once. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. There you go. Nice. You're not gonna hurt yourself.
100% chance.
Aren't you so stoked that I'm losing this little Weenie Hut Junior drivetrain?
I just wish you'd sell this pile of shit and keep that nice white M3 outside.
Get out of here. Who even asked you? Go home.
You asked me just now.
Yeah. Oh, look how pretty this thing is, though.
What car are you looking at? I mean, I suppose it'll be cool with a lot of work and money. How's it go? With about 10 grand, what's he say? Where Jesse walks up and he goes,
It's like this will decimate all.
with 10 grand, this will decimate all. You know, overnight parts from Japan, blah, blah, blah. A bunch of fake bullshit. 2 JZs are f***ing hype shit box motors.
You love them.
You're right. LS for life.
I wish 240s could do this, where you could just take like 2 screws out and then all of a sudden, boom. Nice. All right. This thing is so fragile. But I'm gonna throw it right back on as soon as the engine's out because I don't want any of this damaged. Make life easier. Okay, maybe. Come on. There we go. Oh, I forgot there's a bunch of stuff that like plugs in under here. Alright. Oh boy. Look how ugly it is underneath these intakes, dude. So bad. Where? How did that come from? Think this whole mess should just. Come on. Oh, the coil pack harness. Nice work. Almost. This stupid wire. Such a junk harness. Before you guys judge me for kicking this harness is junk. It's so chopped into. I hated you.
Questionable?
Yeah, but it's gonna work.
Okay.
But I say it every time. The more engines we pull, the sketchier we do it.
That's your confidence talking.
Yeah.
One time it's not gonna work in your favor.
Until then, we'll keep testing our limits.
Make it sketchy.
Talking about.
Make it fun.
I just did it.
Oh, you know what? No, the right-hand drive's easy because the steering shaft doesn't get in the way of the stupid oil pan.
Yeah, that's what you say now.
Way to go.
Well, look at
20
this.
minutes from now, you're gonna say the right-hand drive sucks because the steering shaft is.
Look here, see this oil pan right here? This big massive bitch. How it's like predominantly on this side, the left side. You know.
Lay steering rack lay.
Nice work. Oh, good technique, V. You just gotta. That was way too easy.
That's fine.
Okay, yeah. See, right-hand drive, way easier. Way easier.
Taking the motor mounts off does definitely help.
That helps
The
a
steering
shit
shaft,
ton.
I see you with the oil pan situation.
Wow. That was something else. That came out how you would expect a car with no front end to pull an engine.
Go down.
I don't want
All right.
What do you think?
Looks like it threw up. It's out.
Get the shell again. This is good news, though.
Yeah.
This is good. Time for some upgrades.
Looks like work.
Yeah, it's always a lot of work. It's fun, though, right? Totally
So
fun.
much fun right here, Jimmy.
Right?
I'm so excited.
It's a clean slate.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be wonderful.
It's gonna be so great.
Right? Get a girl like this.
Hype him up.
Get gassed.
Find me one.
Oh, I'm so excited. This is a great day. It's a good
It's gonna
day.
be so nice. You went really fast. You took it out really fast.
Just saw how quick the motor came.
Last night it was a car and it was driving and you. Now it's not.
Hell yeah. So let's get the front end back on so no one steps on it. And we'll just do that. Sound good?
No. Put the new
It's gonna
motor
be
in.
great.
You're amazing. All right, so we got the drivetrain out of the E36, or the red one, and I'm really excited. I'm pumped because I never got to make this car when I wanted to. This car has so much potential, and I kind of just quickly half-assed this whole car just to get it on the road and driving it and content stuff. And now, that's not me. You guys know that. And I'm excited to build it the way I wanted to from the start. So, besides that, dude, the white M3, I cannot get over how well this car drives right now. I hate myself, but I was driving around earlier, and I was like, man, I need to keep this thing, but no, it's not gonna happen. I don't need it. I want it, but I don't need it. I guess I could say about all my other cars, but still. Not selling my red car, not selling my GTI. We're keeping it. But you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.